Hi guys, welcome to this session. So in this session, we wanted to look at the different campaign objectives which you'll get to choose from on the Pinterest ads platform. So let's have a look at this. So once you're on the platform, we can start looking at creating a campaign. And when you do so, you will get these options. So these are the options which you have right now, wherein these are broken down into three major categories, which is build awareness, drive consideration, and get conversions. So under build awareness, there are two types of campaign objectives you can select from. One is brand awareness, which is basically going to be a campaign where the focus is going to be on generating a lot of awareness regarding your brand. So the ads will be shown to different types of users across the Pinterest platform on their boards, primarily to do awareness creation. The second one is video completion, which is basically where you want people to actually watch the complete your video and take action. So you would want them to watch your video and finally possibly take the action of visiting your website. So that can be the another type of campaign objective you can choose from. Then there is consideration. Consideration is where you want people to click your ad on the Pinterest and visit your website. So this is more related to moving towards the mid of the funnel where you want people to take action on the website and generate possibly potential sales for yourself. So that can be drive consideration, which you can also do here. And this is going to be a new campaign type, which recently Pinterest has launched with AI specifically. And you can certainly use this to generate quality traffic to the website. Third one is going to be get conversions, conversion-based campaign, which is primarily going to be where you're trying to target audiences to take action on your website. So possibly that can be a purchase or filling up a form or any type of actions which you potentially want your customers to take on your website. That is what we are going to drive with a conversions campaign. So these are the different types of campaign objectives which you can select from when you are starting to build a new campaign on the Pinterest platform. Thank you so much, guys, for listening to this, and I will see you in the next video.